we are looking at how to pronounce this name, as well as how to say more interesting and often unclear names as well, so make sure to stay tuned and consider subscribing for more learning. This is a name of ancient Roman origin, which derives from the name Mars, the god of war. Marcia is one way of saying it, the other is a more Spanish-sounding way as Marcia, Marcia or Marcia, and this is going to depend on the country, the origin of the person, and each family really. A girl's name, Marcia or Marcia. And now you know it all. Here are more videos on how to pronounce more interesting names whose pronunciations aren't always obvious. I'll see you there to learn more. Thanks for watching.